Find IMEI number of your mobile phone in just 10 seconds. Today we're gonna let you know. First of all, requesting like, share, subscribe for get more videos. Now keep in mind that before explaining that how you can find the IMEI number, you should always have your phone's IMEI number screenshot or taken printout with you if you want to be safe in future, because if you lost your mobile phone, you never get back until you let police station about your phone's IMEI number, because it's very important for tracking your mobile phone. So how you can know? First of all, what you have to do, we have to go to mobile phone's caller dialer option and just type star hash 06 and hash, once again hash, and here is the IMEI number. You can take a screenshot of it and save for future. Like, share, subscribe for get more videos.